Hello guys, we're so happy in the kitchen today and we're going to tell you that we've hit our 1000 plus subscribers and we couldn't have done all of this without your support. So we're saying a big massive thank you to you. Now let's get into this refreshing summer drink. It's going to be nice. Let's get started. Hello, assalamu alaikum. I am Fatim and welcome back to Fatim Ali's kitchen. How are you all? I hope you're all having a good time. I'm fine too. So today in Fatim Ali's kitchen, we have got you Wonjo. We're going to make you a Wonjo. Wonjo is also called as in the other languages as Zobo or Hibiscus. Okay, this is that here, this red thing here. We're going to make a juice out of it. I'm sure we've made a juice of this Wonjo before in our previous videos, but that was just a plain Wonjo. We didn't add any other ingredients to it other than the lemon and the mint. But today we're going to make it a little bit different. We're going to add pineapple to it. That's why we got the pineapple here. It's going to be a Wonjo with pineapple drink. Very refreshing in this time of the weather. Okay, so guys, join me. Let's show you what we're going to do. So guys, we got our pot on here. We're going to go on and add our Wonjo in, and then I cut the lemons. We're going to add that in as well, and we're going to add the mint in, lots of mint because I want it very refreshing. And I've also cut the pineapple skin out of the fruit, and I'm going to add the skin in to boil it with this Wonjo. Guys, if you've never tried this way, try it. It's very nice. Okay, so I'm going to add boiling water to this Wonjo so that the process will be a little bit step ahead. Okay. I will be adding another boiling water into it, okay, because I want it a little bit more. Alright, so guys, let's see how this Wonjo is boiling and bubbling up in here. It's been boiling and bubbling up for a little while now and it's looking amazing. Look at that. Nice one. Let me try and pin these ones down a little bit so that they can also boil properly. Nice one. Right. Okay, we're going to leave it to carry on for a little bit. So guys, while our Wonjo is bubbling and boiling up over there, we went on and cut the pineapples small and we're going to blend them in here. Okay, this is nice and smoothie, so we're going to set that aside. So guys, we're coming to drain our Wonjo now. Just be careful, it's very hot. Just go gentle and slow and steady. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding the pineapple in. All of it goes in. Mix it all well together. Let's mix it. Nice one. This is the moment we will add the sugar as well. I've got 2 cups of sugar going in. And then mix that one as well. I have got some pineapple essence here. Oh, sorry, strawberry essence. And this one's the pineapple essence. They all have a little tiny bit left, so I'm adding them in. I'm just giving it a mix. You can add any essences of your choice. Vanilla. If you have mint essence. They can all go in there and it's nice. So I'm going to use this one again, and I'm going to drain it because we don't want any bits of pineapple in it. This is what we don't want in it. So guys, I've got this magic little sieve here, which we're going to use again and sieve this thing. Because I feel like when I was using the other one, the pineapple, all of it didn't stay up. I mean, the hole is a little bit bigger in that one. Whereas so it's going to take a little bit of time, but this is what I'm going to be doing. So guys, this is it. I have saved the whole Wonjo until everything is out, and it's looking so clean as you can see. And now I'm going to put it in this jug here and put it in the fridge, but it's up to you, because some people like to drink their Wonjo warm, some people like to drink it cold. If you want to drink it warm or cold, it's absolutely up to you. I'm going to put it in the fridge and I'm going to make it chill. Then I'm going to refresh myself with it, alright? But it's up to you. And also, some people don't like to put sugar in their Wonjo. That one also is absolutely fine. If you don't want to put sugar, it's up to you. But I like it a little bit sweety. So I'm going to put it in the jug here. So guys, I have put some ice in this one here, and I'm going to add some Wonjo in because I couldn't wait to have it now and I want it cold. So you've got some ice in this one there, a little bit of mess. Okay, so that's all that we've got for you today in Fatim Ali's kitchen. Wonjo with pineapple, drink refreshing. And if you like what you see in this kitchen today, how we make this fresh refreshing Wonjo, please click the like, and if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit that notification bell right over here so that you don't miss out on content. When we post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. In the meantime, we love you all. You're all invited for this Wonjo and pineapple drink. Until we come on you again soon. Goodbye.